Hello guys! So ngayon ay tuturuan ko kayo kung paano ang mag-deactivate sa Facebook. Okay, so punta lang tayo kay menu. Okay, dito. After nun, hanapin natin si Settings and Privacy. After kay Settings and Privacy, click natin si Settings. Pag napindutan natin si settings, next ay punta tayo kay personal details. Ayan. Scroll lang tayo. Makikita natin si personal details ulit. Then, account and ownership and control. Ayan, click natin. Then, dito, pipiliin natin yung deactivation or deletion. Then, click natin si Facebook. Ayan. Click natin yung nasa taas, deactivate account. Click continue. Then, type na natin yung password. So, after ma-type ni password, then click continue. So, sabi dito, for your security, please re-enter your password to continue. So, ayan, re-enter ko ulit. Then, ayan. Deactivating your Facebook account, yan, mamimili ka. So, for me, this is temporary. I'll be back. So, click ko na lang yan. Then, click continue. Then, mamimili ka kung ilang days na ma-automatically reactivate yung account mo. So, ang pipiliin ko is don't reactivate automatically. So, click done. Then, continue. Then, yun. Click nyo na yung deactivate my account. Yun lang guys. Bye!